Hot news: Grace Mugabe in love with Mugabe ministers. Johannesburg, Zimbabwe's cabinet is now heavily populated with first boyfriends, according to chairman of the War Veterans and former diplomat, Minister Christopher Mutsvangwa. Mutsvangwa stated this while speaking exclusively to Khuluma Afrika correspondents stationed in Johannesburg, South Africa. You now have a pseudo-administration that is exclusively led by a bunch of first boyfriends who are neither equipped nor qualified to be in such positions. The common denominator among all these young ministers is their sexual involvement with Grace Mugabe. Nothing else. Nothing more, he said. Mutsvangwa further accused First Lady Grace Mugabe of lacking morals and putting her self-pleasure above the national cause. The hallmark of this G40 cabal is plain to see over the last 15 to 20 years. The economy has been utterly destroyed, condemning many people to outright suffering. This woman and her goals have no national interests at heart. She is more interested in surrounding herself with men who can satisfy her on request, he added. Mutsvangwa previously served under Robert Mugabe's government as Minister of War Veterans, while had prior stints as Zimbabwe's ambassador to China, at a critical time when Zimbabwe was adopting the Look East policy, having fallen out with the West. He is a longtime admirer and supporter of former Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who was fired last week for disloyalty to Mugabe.